Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive Cdti BITURBO factory fitted crew cab Euro 6 no VAT. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 107,746. MOT, the 12th of January 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Starts and drives brilliantly. Genuine factory-fitted crew cab, absolute bargain with no VAT to pay, no warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very